Once you log into Schoology, you will land at the Schoology homepage. This is the layout of the Schoology homepage. The first thing you'll notice is this banner at the top of the homepage. This banner will always be at the top of your window no matter which part of Schoology you're in, whether that be your courses, your groups, your resources. You can always find any of these menu items at any time. If you want to come back to the Schoology homepage, you can always click on the Grosse Pointe Union High School District icon you'll see at the top left. These menu items at the top of the window is what we'll be going over in this module. Before we get to these menu items, let's talk about a few things on this window. First, let's talk about your course dashboard. Your course dashboard shows all of the courses that you are either involved in as a professional learning experience or the courses that you have with students throughout the year. The courses are showed on the dashboard by these images that you see here. These tiles can be arranged in any way you like for quick access to your courses. You can arrange these icons by grabbing one of these tiles and moving them over and putting them in to whatever slot you'd like. So that way you can organize things by period, by type of course, or however you'd like. The other thing that you'll notice on here is recent activities. If you select that menu item, you'll notice that this is a series of activities that are happening within all your courses. This could be posts that have been recently submitted by students or comments by students. You can easily access all that information here without going into the course itself. But if you want to go into your course, you can always do so by clicking on the course dashboard. On the right-hand side of the home screen, you'll notice several boxes. One says Overdue. These overdue assignments are overdue assignments that you might be part of a professional learning experience. You'll also notice reminders in the middle box. This is reminders that you have of courses that you are managing, and this will show you things that have been submitted by students. So student submitted assignments, you can see those and quickly access those here. And then you can see the upcoming assignments that are due in the near future right here in this box. In later lessons, we will discuss the Courses, Groups, and Resources tabs. But for this lesson, we will quickly go over the search function. This search function allows you to search courses, resources, assignments, or users all throughout your Schoology domain. The next icon you'll see is for the App Center. The App Center installs apps into your Schoology account. The App Center will be discussed in a later module. The next icon you'll see is for the calendar. This icon sends you to the Schoology calendar. What you'll see on the Schoology calendar are all the assignments with a due date. You can easily toggle between different calendars for all the courses that you have, as well as change the view of your calendar. You can export this calendar into your Google Calendar, but you cannot import your Google Calendar into your Schoology calendar. This is just specifically for Schoology. Next to the calendar app, you have messaging. With messaging, you can message any person within the Schoology domain. That includes colleagues as well as students. With your messages, you can also include files, links, resources, as well as audio and visual type recordings. And then you have your notifications menu. Your notifications allows you to see certain events that are happening within Schoology. For example, if a student has submitted an assignment, it'll pop up in your notifications. Or perhaps a student has commented on your assignment, you can see those here as well. If you do get a notification, you'll see a little banner, a little circle next to your notifications that tells you how many notifications you have. And then the last item on the menu tab is on the top right corner, and this is for your profile and account settings. We will discuss your profile and account settings in a later lesson.